Hello, welcome back to the complete character rigging series. Last couple of videos were comparatively longer and it was meant to be long because careful explanation of all the setups are much more needed and that can't be rushed. But trust me, if you follow me through the video, I guarantee you that at the end of this series you will have a production level rig ready of your own. So in this video we are going to rig the spine and its connectivity with legs and arms. So moving forward to the video, let's have a small recap what we have accomplished yet. So we have the full skeleton. We have successfully done our hand setup, leg setup with IKFK control and IKFK switch at the same time. So yeah, it's a good progress if you follow me through the video one by one, and you are having exactly same outliner as me, that you will have a clean setup over here. So be mindful of any naming convention. If I spell it something wrong, so you must correct on your rig. So that wrong naming, do not follow me, but yeah, follow me according to the setup wise and every hierarchy which I am doing. So yeah, so now let's moving forward. So the people who already subscribed to me, thanks a lot, and who haven't subscribed yet, it's okay, subscribe whenever you wish. So let's go forward to make this, and this video will be shorter, don't worry about it. So let's start with this spine rig. Press F, let's check. We have the root joint, hip joint over here. The spine is starting from here, 1 2 3 4, and then yeah, neck. So we have now 1 2 3 4, only 4 spine joints. Let's start with the joints. FK. So let's go for a curve, my favorite one. Name it spine. There should be spine 1 underscore CTRL. So this is exactly what we are doing. CTRL everywhere you see. So yeah, spine CTRL. Press do Control G, copy this name, paste over here, and now this is actually GRP. This is spine 1 control group. So first do its positioning or whatever you wish to follow. First do positioning, or we will check this shape too. So let's go for the custom, and remember what we have to the match. If you forget where this is from, so you can go for modify, match transformations, and match all transformations. So now it's here, remove this, and you can see, let's play with its radius, and let's check. So thus 10 is the limitation, go for 20, or you can go for 15. Cool, 15 looks fine. So let duplicate this one. So how many spines we have? 1 2 3, 3 spines we have. So duplicate 1 2 is already there, and more. So 1 2 3 4, total 4 spines are there. So we have now 4 controllers. So name it, this will be 2. You can run the search and replace as I'm doing all of my videos, or this is so small so you can do it manually. So oh sorry, this is 3, and now this is 4. So we have now 4 spine FK controls, and yes, this will be the FK control, so we can name it as just like F spine control, because we are not setting up any kind of IK control over here. So either you can put FK on this naming abbreviation, but spine is fine. Yeah, so spine 1 is done. So go for spine 2, and the spine 2 is this. Match all transformation. Then 3, match all transformation, and 4, match all transformations. So you see all of the controls are now matched. Let's quickly go through its history. So there will be no history left over here, and now this all has to be go inside its uh, hierarchy. So first we will do, this is a center control, so I like center controls to be in yellow color. So let's put every controller. So now I'm going to put this color in the shape node, not in the actual transform node. So I will switch to the shape node. Just go for attribute, select any controllers, go for its shape node, then same thing, go for object display, drawing overrides, enable it. And since I want to be its yellow color, find the yellow color is over here. Same thing. Oops, not that yellow. Yeah, here. This one is third. Uh, I miss. Cool. So, and this is the last one. And yeah. So now all 4 is done. So put in hierarchy wise, this is should be the child, and this should be the parent, because our skeleton goes from our root joints to our. So the spine 1 should be the parent of all. So put one by one the spine 4 to spine 3 controller, and a spine 3 group to a spine 2, and the spine 2 parent under the spine 1 controller. So remember, I am doing the group parenting towards inside the controller. So yeah, so now we have our spine control is ready, and it's also colored. So now I think we are done with the control making. So let's start constraining it. This one, control this, and then for constraint, go for parent constraint, PC. And I have the shortcut over here too. Select this, then the parent constraint. This one is a 3 parent constraint, and this one's the last one, either spine 4 or chest, you can say it. And yeah, this one is parent constraint. So now all of our spine is now controlled by its parent constraint. So now is the time, save the file first. Now is the time, so we can add this up inside our setup group. So first put it in the control group, parent it. Now what we can see is if we want to make a hierarchy, then let the hierarchy be like this. So we can put clavicle control directly under the spine. So let's find out clavicle control group. So this is left and right. So parent it under the spine 4. Press P. So this is now setup is, I guess, done. So let's move it and check like if any kind of miss movement is happening. So we will fix that too. So let's go for check over here. Yep, it's going great. Yep, it's good. It's good. And let's check its shape. What is happening with the shape? Okay, this side is not too much. It is inside of the body. Let's fix this. And let's fix this first, then go for its shape node, and then scale this in the x-axis so it can have more proper shape. So same thing we're gonna do with the chest. Make this shape more readable to the animator. All right. So, and these two shapes should be little bit smaller, scaled down. over here and put it over here. Okay, so this one I think need little movement from there. And this looks a little bit bulge out. Go for the object mode and sort it out from its z-axis. Same thing we're gonna do. So control shape is totally up on you, but I would recommend make it more like visibly appealing so that even your rig look more like better. When you see it, it will not look like it's a clusterized, it's like a mesh total. The controller should be meshed. No, make the controller also some beautiful. So save your file. So as we have seen, our spine is done. So our spine rig is done over here, and if you want to do some kind of clavicle thing, like you see the FK is not going inside it, so you can do like a whole FK, a whole left hand side like FK, IK, pole vector, everything you can put it inside your clavicle control. So yeah, so this thing we are not going right now, so this thing we will follow up when we will finish up the rig and start debugging everything and watch our connection towards each and every controller. So let it be like this right now. All right, so this will be more shortened up. This look like little longer, so this will be going to more inside controllers and all. Yeah, so now the spine rig is so short because I'm only doing the FA control for the spine, and there will be no IK setup over here because it will be making it more complex rig, and that will create you more confusion. So yeah, it's better to have FK. It's totally worth it, and don't worry, it will also work. So yeah, so all right, so this is all about the spine setup, and thanks for watching till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends, and if you have any kind of doubts or questions, any kind of suggestion, please put it in the comment down below, and I will see you in the next session.